Hola, amigas! I'm back. So, finished eating lunch. That's why we're heading to Alpha Mart to look for a dessert. Ang ingay sa Alpha, that's why dito na lang tayo kumain ng ice cream. So, it has four laman pala. And this is what it looks like outside. It tastes like chocolate caramel. Four pieces for 28 pesos. Mura na siya. Mm. Last piece. And that's all for my dessert today. Thank you for watching, amigas. Adios!